actually, that, yeah, just bring it up a little more, and I just need another angle in case I didn't get it from here. Yeah, because I was just on that. This is cool. And then, okay, you can bring it down now again, sir. Okay, go for it. Okay, you know, I already have all. Sorry, she's recording. We have all we have to do is. Oh, you want to get in with her?
I need a shot of me and you getting one of them.
And while the lift's going up, I want to.
Hey, what's the makeup?
Okay, so we'll go through here.
I don't think anybody can come on with me, but I can bring you up one time.
Once you're up.
And there's a switch here.
Don't turn it on yet.
No, I'm gonna get Marissa has to get in there. Miss Daisy, just don't fall.
Okay, when it comes to the bottom, you can tell him to come on up. Okay. He's gonna say something to me.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna say come on up or something.
Just say a few words. I want to get level. That's good. Okay. Okay, I'll just stand. Okay, anytime.
So,
Stand on to the yellow rail.
yes.
Can two people get on you?
Sure.
Yeah, okay, breathe in.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, Marissa, you stay back there. Let me get ahead of you because I gotta get you started. I'm trying to shorten up the sequence here, so I need you to walk it out. Can you bring it down 2 seconds and just bring it up again? Yeah.
You can stand tall.
Oh, I can?
That's good. You can bring her up again. Okay, go for it, guys.
Okay, so show us what you can do.
Mine's just about like this.
Tracy, we can download here. Are you taking still pictures or just movie?
Movie.
Did you bring the other camera? I was actually going to steal them out of my toothbrush.